I need to recenter the wing, so I'm marking off the center, front, and rear. I need to refit the ring to the fuselage, so a die grinder works well for that. I recommend a large diameter head on the die grinder. It takes off less material, but it's a lot less prone to digging in. Had a pretty good fit. I had to cut another access hole through, and that was not very easy. This surface, once it's reinforced, is pretty tough. To make the braces to support the wing, I did a lamination of 2 layers of sandfold foam and 2 layers of 1/8" lightweight plywood with fiberglass in between each layer. This is the first time on the whole plane that I used straight wood glue instead of the 70-30 mixture. It's really the main support of the wings. The reason I went with a composition rather than an individual piece, say of 1/4 inch light ply, is that a lamination is always stronger than the individual components that make up it. supposed to turn to snow. This is one of the fields close to my house where I've been coming to test fly electrics, and yeah, flying season is definitely over. It's cold and rainy and supposed to turn to snow by tomorrow. Don't start crying and sobbing. I mean, look, before you know it, it'll be springtime, and you'll be all shiny and painted and attached to your fuselage.
And my coat is so plain. Oh, I said plain. Oh, what did you say?
I said, you know I like strawberry gravy.
Oh, I want to fly.